We have arrived in a village called Pungu, situated in northern Ghana, where a group of men and women have come together to learn about different dishes that can be made with orange-fleshed sweet potato. This is a drought-prone area where hunger and malnutrition are ever present, particularly in pregnant women, breastfeeding mothers, and children under the age of 5 years. To reduce malnutrition, we need to eat a diverse diet with meat, dairy, vegetables, and fruits, pulses, and staples. We need to pay attention to hygiene when preparing and consuming food, and avoid diseases like malaria by sleeping under a mosquito net, for instance. Consuming orange-fleshed sweet potato can help combat malnutrition because this crop contains provitamin A and some important elements that can keep you healthy and help the body fight against diseases. In contrast to the orange-fleshed sweet potato varieties, the white or yellow-fleshed ones do not contain the provitamin A that can help fight malnutrition. Therefore, eating the orange type of sweet potato is highly recommended. Most people already know the white-fleshed sweet potato and roast, boil, or fry the roots for consumption. However, the orange-fleshed sweet potato is new to them, and they don't know how to prepare dishes with the roots and leaves of this variety, hence the need for a demonstration. Let's join the group of Pungu village and learn about some recipes for delicious foods that can be made with orange-fleshed sweet potato. Hygiene is very important, so don't forget to wash all the cooking utensils, clean the area where you'll be preparing, and wash your hands with soap before preparing food. We will learn how to prepare the following dishes, namely mpotompoto, spicy sweet potato chips with flour, and juice from sweet potato leaves and local fruits. To make mpotompoto for a family of 4, we need these ingredients: 6 medium-sized fresh sweet potato roots, 4 large peppers cut in small pieces or ground, 3 medium-sized onions cut in small pieces or ground, 6 large tomatoes cut in small pieces or ground, 1 teaspoon of dawa, smoked fish, palm oil or other edible oil of choice, salt, and spices to taste. To start the preparation, wash and peel the sweet potatoes and cut them into small cubes. Wash the cubes shortly and then boil them in a little bit of water until they are half cooked. Then in a separate pot, prepare stew from palm oil, pepper, tomatoes, onion, and add smoked fish, dawa, salt, and spices to taste. When the stew is ready, add it to the half-boiled orange-fleshed sweet potato cubes and stir. Cover the pan or pot and let the stew simmer on medium heat until the sweet potato cubes are soft and well cooked. Stir with a wooden spoon to mix the ingredients and create a mash or puree. The mpotompoto can be eaten on its own or served with rice and beans and sauce from leaves. The second recipe we would make is crunchy, spicy, orange-flaked sweet potato French fries. To make the chips for a family of 4 persons, we need these ingredients: 1 kilogram of orange-fleshed sweet potato roots, 1 liter of cooking oil, half a cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt or the amount of salt to taste, ground hot pepper to taste, curry powder to taste. To start with its preparation, wash and peel the sweet potatoes, cut them into slices and then cut them into sizable chips. Put the chips in water with some salt to avoid them turning black from exposure to the air. Strain the chips from water and put them in a basin. Then butter the chips by sprinkling flour and the spices over the chips while turning them until they are completely covered by the flour. Make sure you put in 1 chip to test the level of heat and to make sure it is hot enough to fry properly. Fry the chips until they are golden orange and crunchy. The chips are crunchy and have a delicious savory sweet taste, and the chips can be eaten as a snack with some sauce or as a side dish. The third recipe is a drink made with sweet potato leaves and local fruits. To make about 1 liter of juice, you need 3 handfuls of tender sweet potato leaves, 1 liter of water, honey or sugar for sweetness, juice of 1 lemon and 2 tablespoons of lemon peel, orange or pineapple extract. Wash the leaves, then boil them until the color changes from bright to pale green. Remove from the fire and put the juice through a sieve, taking out the leaves. If you want, you can keep the leaves to prepare palava sauce. Add lemon juice and grated lemon peel, orange or pineapple extract and honey or sugar and heat for 10 minutes. Remove them from the fire and sieve again to take out all the debris. Let the juice cool down and if possible, serve chilled. Let us hear some comments from the participants about some of the dishes and the juice after tasting it. My name is Gladys. I come from Pumo Manchoro. I drank the sweet potato leaf juice and it is sweet and fine. My name is Abna. I fried the chips from stored roots. The chips taste very good and everyone who has tasted has said the chips were good. We learned a very good thing for ourselves and our children to use from now on. The leaves can be used to make palava sauce and sweet potato leaf in okra sauce, vegetable in many sauces such as groundnut sauce, and served in a salad. So, we have now learned about orange-fleshed sweet potato. Orange-fleshed sweet potato, in contrast to the white sweet potato, is a very healthy, nutritious crop that can help fight malnutrition, especially for pregnant and breastfeeding mothers and children under 5 years. Many people know about the white-fleshed sweet potato, but few people know the orange-fleshed sweet potato. Through these demonstrations, we've learned how to make some delicious dishes with orange-fleshed sweet potato roots and its leaves, such as mpotompoto, crunchy spicy French fries, and the juice that can be made with the leaves. These delicious dishes can be made at home to improve your health and nutrition, but they can also be prepared as snacks and sold to generate an additional income. Now that you know all the benefits of orange-fleshed sweet potato and the delicious dishes that can be prepared with it, you can share your knowledge with your friends and neighbors and encourage them to grow and consume it too. If you do not have vines of this orange-fleshed sweet potato variety yet, you can ask the agricultural extension agent where to find planting material, or ask around in your village or in the market. With delicious, nutritious orange-fleshed sweet potato dishes, you can improve your health and livelihood.